scientists have found that the virus is being spread not only by coughs, but also by people talking to each other.
Yeah.
Studies show that consonants project the virus for much greater distances than vowels.
That's true.
And certain consonants, the so-called plosive sounds,
Plosives.
are worst of all.
Worst of all.
You get on
Each
us all the
time
time
a
for
person makes the sound p, t, or k, they can project the virus up to 3 times further than when they use softer consonants, such as f.
There's a high school project that found that out.
Based on this new evidence, the government is introducing new rules in stages to make people's speech less dangerous and slow the spread of COVID-19.
I knew this was coming.
Yeah.
Announcing the new rules, Health Secretary Matt Hancock said, during the first stage, or Tier 1, the consonant p will be banned and must always be replaced with the softer sound f.
Yes.
Anyone speaking to other people in a public place will have to stop using the plosive sound. Failure to do so could lead to a fine or even prison. The whole population, even members of Parliament, will all have to play their part in this. After a period of a few weeks, we will move to Tier 2. Tier 1 rules will continue to apply. In addition, the sound t will be banned and must be replaced by the sound n.
No.
Although this may cause some initial confusion, for example, niches in schools will face challenges when niching the Nenheim's navel, we are confident any problems will be temporary, and measures under Near Nu will help learn the nide of this pandemic. After a further brief period, we will bring in Near 3.
Near 3?
The rules under Nears 1 and Nu will continue, with the addition of the sound k being banned, to be replaced by l. We have considered these measures carefully, in line with recommendations from professors at Cambridge University. These new rules will apply not only to English, but also to other languages spoken in this country, including Nerlish, Polish, Portuguese, and Italian. I urge people to neep narm and narry on. Together, we now conquer the Vovid Fandamic and return to normality in no time at all. Thank you.